tired mechanical heart beat till the song disappears.
My name is Kevin Kessler. Please excuse this video. I'm trying to shoot it selfie style on my iPhone. I have 22 years experience, with the majority of that being lead fabricator and technician. I'm currently working for Mobile Electronics 2013 Retailer of the Year, Extreme Audio. Specialty is definitely fabrication and system design. Also, excel at wiring to OEM standards or higher, whether it be remote starts or aftermarket audio equipment. One of my other strong suits is SQ-oriented vehicles and tuning. My installation philosophy is do the job right the first time. That shouldn't have to be said, but after 22 years in this business, it does need to be said. I always try to exceed my company's expectations of me and the customers. First started my career, the guys that had the biggest influence on me were definitely the great fabricators like Chris Yato, Steve Brown, Gary Bell, and Brian Schmidt, and of course can't forget Fishman. I'm influenced and inspired daily by a long list of talented fabricators who I keep in touch with on social media. My coworkers would describe me as very professional, detail-oriented, and reliable. I think one of the biggest challenges I faced this year was realizing that I was working for a shop that had slowly changed from quality over quantity to quantity over quality. But after they started heading that direction, it really led to a very stressful environment for me. Someone that takes as much pride in what they do as I do, it just wasn't a good fit anymore. So I overcame that problem by seeking out new employment and found Extreme Audio, who I've been with now for a while, and they seem to be a very good fit for my work ethic. And I would like my customers to remember that I treat every vehicle as if it was my own. Doesn't matter if it's old car, a new car, $10,000 car, $100,000 car. It gets treated with respect and gets the top level of service that I can provide. I think I should be a top 50 installer because I've dedicated 22 years of passion and professionalism to this industry, and not a day goes by where I don't learn a new trick. I won't be here long. We're currently in the process of opening up a new location, but here's a little quick tour of the shop. So there's Brian Sherg, a top 12 installer, getting ready to jump off the boat. Don't do it, Brian. I'm over here. Some little cabinets, parts cabinets I built yesterday. El Capitan, Mike Bartels. Some wiring going on, and here's my toolbox. A little out of place, like I said, I'm going to be moving it soon. Got roll carts, drills, some overflow stuff over here. Everyone always asks about the screwdrivers, so I'll go ahead and tell you, I like the pretty colors. And here's some of my tools. Just my go-to tools right there. Some other stuff. Meters, testing equipment, measuring, random drawer, hammers, drill bits, safety equipment, a few more air tools. And that's it. Thanks for your time, and we'll finish up with some installation photos.
way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, damn guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb. We got to install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs. Move, move. I should've learned to play them drums. Look at that mama, she got it sticking in the cameraman. We could have some. And he's up there. What's that? Hawaiian noises. He's banging on the bongos like a chimpanzee. Oh, that ain't working. That's the way you do it. Get your
What? Wait. The video's actually over? I can't believe you made it to the end. Thanks again for watching.